We have a little duck, a yellow and orange little duck.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Okay guys, now it's time to check this product, how to operate this product. Okay, for the simple one, I will use a power bank. Wait a sec.
A few moments later.
Well, I use the power bank, to operate this thing. Okay, now we release this cable. Okay, put this first. Well, as I said before, it's about 1 meter, I think. It's long enough for your product. Okay, firstly, we plug in the source. And then you can plug this micro USB here. Okay, the LED indicator is green. Okay, so we will put below, because this cable is long, so it's no matter if you put this power bank below because it's not our concern. Our concern is this product. Well, we have a little duck, a yellow and orange little duck.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Okay, and then you can press one of these buttons, whichever button is no matter. You press this thing. Yeah, as you can see, it's rotate the product. So to increase the rotation, you can press the OR button, the middle button. Okay, this is 2 rotation per minute, and when I press this thing, okay, it getting faster. Now it's about 4 rotation per minute. If you want to get faster, you can press it again. Okay, I press this thing. Okay, now is 6 rotation per minute. So you can choose, if you want to rotate this product, you can choose 2, 4 or 6 rotation per minute. Now the rotation is clockwise. What if I want to the rotation counterclockwise? You can press this button, RL button. You can press one. Ta-da! It rotates counterclockwise. Okay, it's like a magic. Okay, now I want to focus in front of this product. In front of this face of the duck face. I want to rotate just 45 degrees. I will press the ESA button. Okay, this rotation will be limited just 45 degrees. As you can see, this rotation is just 45 degrees. See? What if I want to get angle about 90 degrees? Well, I just press this button. Now the rotation is about 90 degrees. The angle is 90 degrees for now. And then I want to a half of circle or 180 degrees. Well, I just press this button again. Okay, now the rotation is 180 degrees or a half of a circle. Okay, as you can see. Okay, then 360 degree. Well, I just press this thing. Okay, now it's fully rotated. 360 degrees. And then I don't want to limit this rotation. I just need to press this button. Or all. So it back to normal. It's about 360 degree continuously. And I want to counterclockwise. Well, let's press this thing. Okay, that's it. As you can see, this product is so simple. You can directly put it in your bag or whatever you bring. It's so simple thing. Okay, now how to power off this product? Well, from 3 buttons, you can press one of it, whichever is no matter. For example, I will press this button for 3 seconds to power it off. 1, 2, 3. Okay, back to green. Okay guys, I think enough for today. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you think this video is useful, please like this video and don't forget to share to your friends so your friend can be able to find the cheap product, but it has multi-function. There's so many functions, as you can see, with the cheaper price. It's about $9 maybe. It depends on the currency now. It depends on the rates, of course. Okay guys, okay, hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And don't forget to hit the notification button so you will get notification to the next video. Okay, thank you very much and bye.